Yeah guys, welcome back to SK Viewers. In this video, we are going to learn the most important basics of engineering drawing, that is projections of points. We'll see how to locate points with respect to the horizontal plane HP and vertical plane VP, and how to draw its front view and top view with respect to the reference line, that is XY line, accurately. So let's start. A point P is 15 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Clearly defined the position of point P. Another point Q is 25 mm behind the VP and 40 mm below the HP. It is also clearly defined. Draw the projections of point P and Q, keeping the distance between their projectors equal to 90 mm. Draw the straight lines joining their top views and their front views. Okay, first draw the XY line, that is reference line. Give the name for this line. So this is, take the text height 3 and direction 0 angle. This is capital X and here it is capital Y. Is a reference line. Yeah. Now first draw the front view and top view of point P. First identify the point position with respect to the HP and VP, 15 mm above and 20 mm in front of VP, that is in first quadrant. When the point lies in first quadrant, its front view comes above XY line and top view comes below XY line. That is clear, right? So to draw the projectors, use thin layer and take a line, select on the XY line at suitable place. Here I'm selecting. So first I'm going to draw the front view of the point P, that is 15 mm above HP. So here give the dimension 15 mm, press enter, escape. Also draw the projector to show its top view, that is 20 mm in front of VP. So in the top view it comes 20 mm below XY line, right? Give the 20, escape. Yeah, give the donut symbol this. So inner radius or inner diameter 0 and outer diameter 1. So wherever you want the point, there click. Here, this is the front view and this is the top view. Okay, let us give the point name here. Here it is point P dash, text height 3 and text direction 0. Enter. Point P dash, small p dash. Yeah, and this is small p, front view and top view. Okay, now another point Q is 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm below the HP, that is situated in third quadrant. When the object lies in third quadrant, its front view comes below XY line and top view comes above XY line. So before going to draw the projectors for this point, front view and top view, the projectors of point P and Q at a distance of 90 mm. Okay, so for that, so I'm using offset distance is 90. Enter. This line I'm selecting and I'm keeping right side. Okay, the distance between this point and this point is 90 mm. Okay, yeah. Now draw the front view of this point Q that comes below XY line, 40 mm below from XY line. Draw a projector in downward direction with a length 40 mm. Press enter. Okay, and one more projector to draw its top view, that is 25 mm behind VP, means that comes 25 mm above XY line. Give the 25, press enter. Okay, escape. Now use the donut symbol again. Inside radius or inside diameter 0, outside diameter 1. Yeah, okay. Here 1 point, front view, and this is the top view. Escape. Done. Give the point names here. This is front view, text height 3, enter. Text direction 0 angle, enter. The point name is small q dash, since it is front view. This is small q, it is top view. Click outside, press escape. Just move this point near to the point using move command. Q near to this point. Yeah. Okay. So what else? The projections of point P and Q is finished. Also, draw the straight lines joining their top views and their front views. Okay. Now change the layer to 0 default layer. Take the line, join their front views. Point P front view is here and point Q front view is here. Okay. So pay careful while selecting the point exactly. So to make it easy, uncheck the nearest point. So geometry center is okay or end point is okay. I am going to select the geometry center and node. This is the point. Escape. Also draw the line to join their top views. Point P top view is here and point Q top view is here. Escape. Okay. So just select this 90 mm dimension. Just move down. Yeah, now give the dimensions of the point P and Q front view and top view positions. Okay. Select the dimension. This line 15 mm. The point P distance in top view is 20 mm. Also point Q distance in top view is 25 mm and point Q front view distance is 40 mm. Right. Yeah, this is how we draw the projections of points P and Q in this question using AutoCAD in a clear and systematic way. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to SK Eduvers for more engineering drawing and AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video on SK Eduvers.